Hello and welcome, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Suman. So, very warm good morning to everyone. Let's start. Okay, so right, this is I think noon 12:52. So, forget about. Just ignore this. Okay, a part of this. Today we are here to complete this level 2. Level 2 is lab HTTP load balancing with cloud armor. So let's just start it. Click start lab button, select I'm not the robot, select the bots, verify it, and once we'll get our lab access, we can do it. I think we're going to do it as fast. Okay. Okay, some of my friends are getting error. I think that is because of maybe some internet connection, or maybe the server is down at this Google Cloud server side. So don't worry about that. That is maybe the problem from their backend. If there is a problem from their backend, just support. Just click on the chat box, type your name, and submit this error. They will definitely solve their problem, and it will be beneficial for everyone, not for only you but especially for you. That will give in credit for to you. Okay, so let's start it. HTTP load balancer with cloud armor. So what to do, this is the lab objective. We have to create I think 4 to 5 steps. So first, setup and requirement. Need private browser. Yeah, here it is. First we have to start the lab, we did. And the next we have to configure, go to the network, copy this, paste it under the search product, click the first link, click the first link, and wait. Yeah, remove this, and notice everything. So notice, click create firewall rule, click on this firewall rule just on the left side, and we have to create this firewall rule. Where is the name? Okay, click on create firewall rule and fill in the blanks. Copy this name, paste it here. Default, copy this tag, paste it on the target network tag. There is the default network and a specific target tag is HTTP server, and the range is all. Select it, paste it here, don't put any space, otherwise it will be error. And what about TCP and other protocol? Check TCP and type 80, check TCP and type 080, and click on create. That's it. So this is your first step, and once it is done, create health check. So how to do it? Still in the click create firewall rule. So click on this create firewall rule button and fill in the blank this detail, paste it under this name, and HTTP server, paste it here, remove this as extra space, and copy one by one, copy this much only, paste it here, press the space button on your keyboard, and copy this much and paste it under source IP range, press enter. Okay, just make sure you don't have any other extra alphabet or anything, just that semicolon or it is a comma, don't include here. Okay, and check TCP. We have to check the TCP and leave it blank. And, yeah, see this, they've also mentioned pressing the space button, good practice. Now click on this create and wait until it get created. Once it is ready, we can check our progress to confirm the configure HTTP and health check firewall rule. So it is done. Now let's check our progress. Okay, so we did it correctly. Follow it now. Okay, let's configure instance template and create instance group. So for this we have to go and search compute engine under this product search tab. Click the first link, compute engine, and we have to create an instance. Click on create instance template. Instance template, under the instance template, where is the instance template? Yeah, this is the second tab. Select instance template, create, click on this create instance template, and once you click on the create instance template you have to type for the name us is template. This is the name, series n1, here is the machine series. Okay, n1. Under the network decision tolerance, what we have to do, we have to do something under the management. Okay, first click this tab, expand it, click on the management and expand it, and we have to fill this under metadata. So copy this key and click on add item, paste the same thing under the key, and this is the value, copy this much and paste it under the value. Okay, so this much, and under networking, this is the networking tag, network should be default. Okay, under networking tag, with networking tag, I think it is upside, yeah, here it is. So paste this networking tag, and network is default, network is default, subnet should be us east 1, us east 1. So search us east 1, central Europe, us east 1. Okay, so this one, make sure you select the us east 1. Once it is done, click create, click down. Okay, click down, and let me click on create, let me click on the create. Okay, so we clicked on the create and the progress is here. See the progress. Wait the instance template to be created. Now once the instance template is created, now we'll create another instance template for subnet B by copying the instance template 1. So it is super easy. Select it, click on this check mark and click on this copy button, and just change the name and type it as something like this. Don't include that dot. And other, we have to change Europe West 1 subnet. So where is the subnet? It is in the network. Click on the network. Okay, no network tag. What is this? Networking. I thought I have. Isn't it the same one? Okay, so copy this. If it is not the same one, then we have to make sure it contains the network tag, and also it is default, no problem. And select Europe West 1. I think Europe West 1. Okay, so Europe West 1. That's it. Click on create. Done. Click on create. It will be ready after some time. So let's go ahead and do some other work. Create a manage instance group. Still in the compute engine, click instance group. So where is instance group? Scroll down. Here it is. Instance group. Create instance group. And copy this name, paste it here, and multiple zone instance us instance 1, multiple zone us east 1, change this to us east 1, and instance template 1, and 80 45 105 80. Click on this pencil icon, type here 80, and 45 1 and 5. Let me verify it. Maximum number 5, number 1, correct. So after this, click create. Let's wait. Okay, so I think we are going to repeat the same procedure for instance group 2. Can you copy the same instance group and repeat? So it will take some time. Okay, so it is now ready, and okay, we have to create another instance group. So click create instance group. Here is the name. We just created this one. Okay, now we'll create this one. So now this and paste the group waste one mig, multiple zone, select multiple zone, and the reason is Europe West 1, Europe West 1, Europe West 1 template. Here it is, and on the utilization, no 80, 45, 1 and 5. Let's cross check. Yeah. Click on this create button and wait at least 1 minute. Okay, so the second instance group is ready now. So let's check our progress. Good. So this is also done. Now let's verify the backend. Still in the compute engine. Notice. Okay, like this. Let's configure the HTTP load balancer. So to configure this, first we have to start the configuration by clicking network service. Paste it here. Select the first one link and start configuration. Create load balancer. Click on create load balancer. Which one you have to select? You have to select create load balancer. HTTP load balancer. Which one? Okay, let me read quickly. Load balancing. Create load balancer. Load balancing. HTTP load balancing. UDP load balancing. TCP load balancing. You have to select which one? HTTP load balancing. So first one. Just click on start configuration. And we have to select from internet to my VMS or wireless service. From internet to your wireless service, and click on continue. And second option is classic. Select the name, copy this name and type it here, and listen. Okay, click backend configuration and click backend configuration. So this is the backend configuration. Click on backend configuration, and here it is. Create backend service. Okay, create backend service, click here, and we have to type the name. Type the name. Okay. Take care about the space. And instance group is US is one link. US US is one mil. Okay, here is instance group and select it here. Port number 80. Port number is 80. Utilization. Backend mode rate. Backend mode rate. What is the 5800? Capacity is 100. And click down, and also click add backend. Click add backend and select Europe. Port number 80. Number 80. And utilization, select utilization 80, maximum RPS. Utilization, maximum packet utilization 80, capacity is 100. Maximum utilization is see, and capacity is okay. So this is automatically filled correct. Just click on done. For health check, click create health check. So how to create health check? Create health check. So here the health check name. Copy this much, paste it here. TCP 80, TCP 80, correct. So click save and check enable logging box. Click enable logging box, simply create one and click create. And click OK. Now configure front end. So we have to configure front end. So front end configuration, click on front end. I specify the following and leave all other value as default. Protocol HTTP, IP version IPv4, IPv4, port 80, IPv4. Okay, nice, correct. Click down and now click get front-end IP port. Get front-end IP port IPv6. We have to select IPv6 port 80 and click done. So just change IPv4 and IPv6 and everything was by default their project. Okay, so this much I think we have to do. Now click on review and we have to read it once. After reading it, click on create. Click on create. Now we have to wait a little bit. Now wait. So let's wait. So our load balancing backend service is ready. Let's check the progress. Yeah. So everything is correct and we did it correctly. So we have some couple of things more to work on. So let's do it quickly. So up to here we have just completed. Now we'll access the HTTP load balancer. So to access this we have to do this one. So just leaving for you guys. Now stress the test and HTTP load balancer. How to do it? Compute engine, VM engine, create an instance. So we have to go under compute engine, copy this much, paste it here, compute engine, and we have to create an instance, type the name. Okay, so Let's create an instance. Click on this create instance and copy this name. Zoom this, paste it. Reason is US West 1, US West 1, US West 1 C. Select the zone and series is N1 and this was okay. Now let's click on create and wait for the instance to be created. Okay, we need to wait because we have to connect the SSH to the server by clicking on it. So we need to wait a little bit. So let's wait. So it is ready. Yeah. Now just click. Okay. First let me read. Launch the terminal to connect. Okay. Just click it and click connect. Wait a little bit. Okay. So it is connected now. And run this code. Store IPv4 address. Copy this much and restore IPv4 address. Root balancing environment. Run the following command. Replace IPv4 address with IPv4 address. Okay. So where is IPv4 address? So I think this one is IPv4 address. Copy it and remove this much and paste it. Press enter. And this is done now. Copy this, paste it, press enter. Okay. See this similar output. Correct. In the cloud console, navigate to network serverless load balancing. And we can see monitor the front-end traffic backend for 2 to 3 minutes. Traffic is directed to the Europe West 1 view. Okay, just click backend, click HTTP, navigate to HTTP, click on monitoring. Okay, just ignore this, guys. And lay and press Ctrl plus C to just close this. And, now let's go for the next topic for the denied list of the Sega. So how to do this? We have to be in the compute engine. Yeah, we are here. Vim instance. Not the external IP address of referred as Sega IP. Okay. On the cloud when we get to okay. So this one is external IP for address. So copy this and let me paste it here. It may be required. Copy this much and paste it here. Click the first one and cloud armor. We are under the cloud armor and click on create policy. Click on create policy and set the following name. This is the name. Paste it here and default rule action is allowed. Default rule action is allowed and click next step. Next step and click add rule. Click add rule and add the following condition. Enter the Sega IP condition. Okay, condition Okay, should I type it? Okay, I think I should type this one. Copy this, paste it here, and select deny. And it is a deny. Forbidden 1000. Forbidden, deny, forbidden 1000. Forbidden 100. Which is a 1000. Priority is 1000. Click on done. Yeah, same way. Click on done. Okay, you your maybe IP this will be something different. Okay, so not your on. Don't use this. Once this is done, click next step. Click a target. Next step. Click a target. Load balancing backend service. Load balancing backend service. Select the target. HTTP backend. Select the target HTTP backend and click create policy. Click create policy. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so I think it is ready. Let's check our progress. Okay, good. So this is done, and you can just go through this line. That's it. This was about this lab. Okay, guys. So if you have any doubt, comment down. I will try to help you. And asking about any problem in this lab, just go through every step one by one. If you have, even if you get some problem, just go and chat with quick lab. They are just online every time. Go and ask anytime, anywhere. They will going to help you, so don't worry about the problem. And one more important update is that I got news that we are going to get some more time. So as we are thinking that we have only 3 days, so I think that this date will be going to be expanded to more. And there is more one news that I came to know through this YouTube, that we are having some more special event during I think after 5 hours at the end of this date. So be ready, guys. Okay, so this was what. See you in the next lab. Thank you.